this is Sharifa, just nailed it. Welcome to Mask Monday. We got two things going here today. I'm going to wear, I've done this mask here before. It's a hand mask. It is touchscreen compatible. My hand needs some TLC. So that's why I'm doing a hand mask. And I want to be able to play with my phone at the same time. Secondly, these go under the eye, and I think a lot of women are putting these on wrong. The thin part goes under your eye, not the fat part. These are 24 karat gold collagen eye patches. They have 24 karat gold dust in these. Got these off of Amazon like 2 years ago. Supposed to have done a review on them. I mean, I did a review on them. That was back then. I'm not going to put my face on camera to do these, so I'm just going to pop these on for 20 minutes. I'm going to put these on first. Woo. Ooh. And they're slippery little suckers. Well, that one over there was. This one was, I can't get out of the package. Okay. Oh, it feels kind of warm. Kind of warm. So, we got it on the eye. It feels kind of, well, let me take it off and fix it. Kind of wish I was on camera. That way I know I had it on and it wasn't wrinkled. It feels a little shrinkage going on. Just a little bit. Get my other camera, my other phone. Turn that around. And let me look at me. Okay, there's one. Where is she? 24 karat gold. Aw. Just dab, dab, dab. Jab them on in place for like 20 minutes, they say. So I'm gonna put my phone back down. Got those on. Can't reach the trash. So let me see. Okay, let me see the time. So these ones here, uplifting, nourishing, softening, hand and nail gloves, which my puppies could use it. These ones are subby. I keep hitting them on stuff and it seems to, like my thumb and my middle finger, these will get a little bit longer. I didn't used to have the problem except for the last year. I'll hit something and it split right up the middle. Oh my God, does that hurt? I don't know. So I took my polish off. I just got done scrubbing my nails with my nail brush. I'm gonna crack my elbow. Sorry about that. Can't remember where I got these, and I hate that I can't remember where I buy things, but I got too great of a memory. See the Dollar Tree. Or Walmart. Dollar Tree or Walmart. So it's either $3 or $1.30 straight out the door. One of the two. One of the two. I'm voting for $1.30 straight out the door, but I don't know. I'm going to be going to the Dollar Tree hopefully the next couple days. I'll take a gander. And find, oh, that feels so good already. So let me rub this in under my cuticles, or on my cuticles. I mean, it's got the tabs here, but I never do it. My hands end up wet and I can never get the tabs fixed right, you know. Mom's probably sleeping by now because I'm doing this in the middle of the afternoon. For me, it's Monday. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, oh my god, what's their screening? Yeah, it's 50 daily. Oh my god. I'm gonna have a total brain fart. She's gonna kick my butt. I gotta look up her screen name. Cause my song, rub it in, rub it in. Turn the radio. That's Nifty 50 Nails. She found my song. Which I did end up Googling because it was driving me nuts. It came out in 1974. But I have the memory of me going, we were coming back from West Virginia. It was playing on the radio. But I was little. I was born in 1967. I thought I was like 4 or 5 years old. So how was I hearing that song if it came out in 1974? I don't know. Anyways, I love that song. I totally dig that song. Turn the radio on. I mean, it's probably not a song that a small child like that should be digging on, but I don't know. I love it. I still do. When I hear it, you know, I just hear the music and it's like, oh, my ears perk up and I'm getting the glove. I'm getting the glove. Rub it in, rub it in. Okay, it's coming apart. We got it, by George. 10 years later. 10 years later. So, rub your cutes. Give them a good nourishing rub. All of them. All 10 cutes. You know what your cutes are? Those are your cuticles, man. Your cuticles, ladies. Call them whatever cute little name you want to call them, but I'm calling them your cutes today. Woo! This feels so good. I don't know how long I've had this one on, but I know I'm able. I'm talking. Kinda wanted to stay with you for the whole time, but I don't know if that's gonna be a possibility or not. And then I realized today I have no giveaways going on, do I? Oh. Annoying Secret Nail Sisters. I got that one going over here. The Secret Nail Sisters with the secret word. Gotta watch that in full because I always try to just slip it in. Sometimes I forget about it. You always gotta watch, see what my secret word is. Go follow all 5 or 6, I think there's 6 Nail Sisters now in on it. Enter it, see what you gotta do is subscribe to all the Nail Sisters. Enter under all of us, that way you've got a chance, that many more chances to win. Duh. You don't enter just under one of us. There's only one chance. Why would you do that? That's not a brainer. That's not a no-brainer. No-brainers, you enter under all 6 of us. That's the no-brainer. I don't know, who thought you just, oh, I'm only gonna turn her on. I'm gonna win. No, you're not. Because what we do, we draw, each one of us draws a winner. And you all put it into a pot. Hat, machine, whatever one you, whichever the secret sister is that does it. Then there's, I'm gonna call it the semifinalist. And you put it into a pot, hat, whatever. I used to hat when it was my turn. And then at the end, one of the finalists is drawn. So it's better to put your name. You're going to enter under all 6 sisters. All 6 of us. So there's that going to be going on. Look for the secret Nail Sisters giveaway. I'm sorry if this is loud. I mean, I'm rubbing it in. Rub it in, rub it in. Turn the radio on. God, what's the words to that song? Did she put it in here? Let me look, let me look. No, she didn't put any words in. That's so funny. Oh my God, that is so funny. She helped bring back a great childhood memory of mine from when I was little. I was very young. Very, very young. So I thank you very much, Nat. Rub it in, rub it in. It's about suntan lotion or suntan oil. I'm sure it has a lot more to do with that. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? But a little girl, I had to do with suntan oil. Oh my God. I'm gonna get this finger really good because it's a deep weld finger. I got a deep nail bed. And it's very dry. Very dry. Very dry. So this finger here. Just rub it in, rub it in. This whole finger here is real bad. All around my skin, all around my finger here is real bad. My nails real dry. So I do like this hand mask real well. Nourishing avocado. Avocado. Rub it in, rub it in. You guys are gonna be sick of hearing me say that. I'm sorry. But it's just a great childhood memory for me. It's a really good one. So, I don't know, I have no idea. Alright, we are ready to take the gloves off. I'm gonna slide these off. These are not reusable by any means. Again, these are the avocado nourishing gloves. I did have a hard time turning the camera on and off. I had a really hard time, I ain't gonna lie. I had a really hard time. Really, really difficult time. Really difficult time. So I'm just going to keep rubbing these in. Rubbing around my arm even. There's a lot of moisture here. Might want to even get some paper towel, tissue. Wipe your hands off a little bit because there's a lot of extra to do. I already took the eye patches off. I didn't know what to call them at first. Those came off as well. So our hand masks are finished out. Those are done. The eye patches are done. We have finished our stuff for Mask Monday. Hope you did a mask as well and you joined us. If you did, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you did. Tell me that you joined us. I hope you did. Hope you're a Mask Monday friend. Whew. They gotta dry. They're almost dry. I mean, I can't talk. Happy Mask Monday, ladies. Have a blessed day and thank you.